going to give a room tour of 14322A. It's on the starboard side of the ship. It is an XL Sea Terrace. And the way you open the doors on the Scarlet Lady is you have a band. So you slide it, it turns green. So when you open the door, right here, let me show you this. So if you do not want to be disturbed, you press the top button, and if you'll notice, the light turns red. All right. If you would like to have your room made up, you hit the blue, and if you'll notice, the light turns blue. If you don't have either of them turned on, the light is green. So as you'll notice, when you go up and down the hallway, you'll see blue, green, and red, and that's what they mean. So here's where you turn the lights on. There's your typical safety information. Here's your cabin control, temperature control, and your light for the bathroom. Now, one thing about the XL Sea Terrace is you do get an upgraded bathroom. So it's a pretty decent size. You've got a nice mirror, full vanity. You've got room on both sides for you to keep your toiletries and whatnot. You got little hangers here on the wall, and of course your fresh linen, and you have more towels and a wastebasket down here in the bottom. Now, one of the neat things about this cabin is you do have some privacy for the toilet. Now, there is a little step up. You have to step up and over the step up, and it's a little bit of a step down. Oh, I think we have room service being delivered. Let's see what happens.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good.
Thank you.
I will close that door for you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye. Well, let's set the room service down and we'll come look at it. And we'll go through it. So, to continue the tour, we were in the bathroom. So in the shower, you have a nice size shower, and you have hair wash, conditioner, and body wash. You also have a little thing run across to hang your dry clothes, or hang and dry your clothes. You have a rain shower head, and you have a wand. It's pretty neat. So here's a tip. So this top knob right here, that controls whether or not you have the wand or the rain shower. The bottom knob controls the temperature. So once you get your temperature like you want it, you really don't need to press this knob. But let me give you a couple of tips. So if you turn to the left, it'll turn the wand on. Now if you'll notice, I have the wand facing the wall. Actually, I want to face it a little more. So if you have the wand facing the wall, when you turn the water on, you don't accidentally shoot yourself with cold water that's still in the pipes. You do, however, when you turn it to the right, when you turn this button to the right, it turns the rain shower head on. You're gonna get a little splash of cold water because there's nowhere really to stand out of the way when you turn the water on. So just be prepared for a couple of seconds of cold water to hit you from above. So what I do is I turn the wand on first and get the warm water going, and then I brace myself and turn the shower head on, and about a second's worth of cold water. So again, there is a step up and over, step down, so be careful that you don't trip going in or coming out. You do have a full-length mirror right here. You got hangers here to hang your stuff from the pool deck or wherever. You have a garbage can. They bring the water service in 2 glasses, and you can ask for ice. Ice has always been in there. You have a nice little chair, and there's not a lot of space to store stuff, so we've kind of created a corner of dirty clothes. But you have a closet, you have plenty of hangers, you have some space up above the top there. You have your life vest, you have your safe and some shelves to put stuff. Again, there's not a lot of clothes, or there's no drawers in here, but you make do. So down here you have a little refrigerator. I keep one of the bottles in there, and keeps it nice and cold. Uses less ice. You have a telephone, which we haven't needed. The book, and here's my room service. I'll go through that here in a minute. So you have a tablet here that it's on like a wireless charger. You can lift it off, but you can control the rooms. You can also control the mood. Like, for example, you want to do "Let's Get It On." Turns the mood lighting on. Plays a little music. If you want to do a photo shoot, so it'll open the blinds. That's automatic, and makes the lighting a little more good for photographs. But the weird thing is they turn this light on over the bed. Of course, the bed is here, so not really very useful. Let's go back to the lights. If you want to get your Zen on, you'll close the curtains. And that's pretty much it. You can control all the lights from the tablet by hitting all lights off. Of course, you still have to turn the bathroom light off. You can't turn it off from in here. And you can go all lights on, and it brightens everything back up again. Let's open the curtains. All right, so we'll continue on. So there's a little table here. We found it really kind of useless. We've used it maybe a time or two. There's a little stool you can pull out and sit here, and there's lighting behind the mirror. As you can see, there's 1, 2 AC outlets plus a European outlet, and there's a USB plug. I'm currently using a little USB hub, so I have plenty of room to plug all my stuff in. And over here where you would normally make, if the bed was to be made into a couch, this mattress would swing around here and would cover up this space. But if you just leave it as a bed, it's essentially, you know, a little tabletop surface. Works pretty good. This chair, we've got towels and a shirt hanging on it, but you know, it's a pretty comfortable chair. It's wide enough for people that might be a little fluffy. And your TV, you can control the TV by the app. So we'll go to entertainment. Sometimes the app is a little finicky. Well, let's try this again. Okay, so you have a range of movies. They're all included. Or for live, you've got the, you know, the Virgin channel. You got BBC News, BBC HD, MSNBC, Fox News, ESPN, and ESPN2. And that's pretty much your entertainment for the TV. You can turn it on and off from the tablet. It's pretty much the only way you can do it. That is the remote control. All right, so we'll come back and take a look. You have outlet here, and you have USB plugs as well as lights to control the lights in the cabin. And you also have over there, you can see you have also another USB and AC outlet. And now let's go check out the balcony. Balcony's pretty nice size. You got room for a little table and a chair. You're right here at the bridge. Actually, zoom in and see them walking on the wings. So you can see them, they can see you. So be aware of that. But we also have room for a chair over here. And then everybody talks about the hammock. It's really nice to have a hammock out here, and yes, I have used it. So let me see if I can do this properly. Okay, if this is working, you can see over here, go down in the hammock. Have a good time. Very relaxing, very comfortable. It will actually extend on out.